Dive Colonel Ninny here.
This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is Mission 10 in the Sea Dragons campaign. Mission 10 is going to be a very long flight for our 5 IL-2s and 4 fighters. We'll have bombs and rockets on this one, and we're going to go all the way up here past the Napa, the airfield that we hit last time, to this defensive position here. Once we get to the isthmus on this lake here, it'll be a heading of 315. This isthmus here is all friendly, and once you get past the lake, that's friendly as well. Heading of 120 for the egress. We're established on a heading of 290 at 500 meters. That's what they're wanting until we get to this point here, and then we can carry on to a right turn to 310. What we'll do here is we'll use the right bracket key, and that will do double scale on the time. You can see that on the left. 4 times, 8 times. So don't try and fly the airplane when it's not in auto level, otherwise it'll crash on you. It's safe enough to do this in friendly territory and if you are not expecting fighters, but just keep an eye out on where you are because you're moving at 8 times your regular speed. There's our point of land there. So we're going to come right to 310, and we're looking for that little island, if you recall. Right over there is the next waypoint. So come out of this high speed, go into normal mode by going on your left bracket bar to bring it back down to normal. You know you're in normal when you can hear the engine again. Do your change 310 and then level off again, engage the autopilot. And then you can speed up again for the next part of the leg. Bear in mind, if you get attacked by somebody here, you're toast. So it's just a method to speed the game up a bit. Next heading past this point here is going to be to 345. It'll take us past the cliffs by Napa and the airfield to that isthmus. Auto level at 345, and we can see the airfield down to the right at Napa. And it's not too far to go. Okay, there's a Napa to our right. We know exactly where we are. We can see the isthmus up ahead there, and our target is just going to be off to the left there at about 11 o'clock. So to be safe, we're going to cut down our max speed here and just go at normal speed. Okay, so now let's just make sure everything is going well. Got our temperatures and pressures are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Once we get there, we'll close our oil radiators. We'll make sure our gunner knows what to do. That's good. And we'll instruct our flight as to what we want them to do as well. Here's the small town down to our right. Our target is just up ahead. According to the mission briefing, the defensive position should be on the west side. So we have to make sure we come in where there's no smoke. There's already fire down there. And we're ready to go here. Pull the power back a bit. There's the first gun. And there's a line of guns. I'm just going away so I don't get any flak here. Low and fast, up and around. Again, opening my canopy. This time for bombs. Flak on me. My track IR is not working on this one, so I'm using a mouse. Sorry. I'm gonna try this again. Engine's behaving itself, everything's good. Take that big gun out there. That's the end of him. Got 2 machine guns left. I'm just going to take this one out and then we'll head home. I don't think that did it. That was a poor approach. Okay, let's see what's left. I'm sure as hell scared him. Okay, let's call it a day. Once we hit Napa, the next heading is going to be 165 down the coast, 130 and home. Approaching Napa, getting ready to turn to 165. 165, and here's the point of land with the island on it, which is right here. Once we get there, we'll turn to 130. And 130 should take us all the way back to the airfield. You recognize this town and valley going up to where we did missions 8 and 9. And there's the runway. We're just going to come in from this side. Well guys, thanks for watching. Of course you're going to join me for mission 11. And there we have a mission accomplished. Very good. It took 40 minutes to do that. And of course we got 3 cannons and 1 machine gun. I think that's pretty successful.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you guys.